Hello viewers, yeah, it's Relic here. We're going to do some more stay-at-home stuff. Thai green chicken. Right, so what you want is some of that Thai green curry paste. About a third of a jar you want. We've got 1.5 yellow and 1.5 red peppers chopped up there. Right. A bunch of spring onions chopped up to green, and 3 chicken breasts chopped up. Alright, so you're going to want some coconut milk as well at some point. I'll bring that into the clip later on. So first job is splash of oil in the pan, and we're going to fry the peppers and the onions. Okay, and then we'll have the chicken. Okay, I'll soften my peppers and the onions. So I'm going to put roughly, I would say, 2 tablespoons of the green paste and cook that in for a couple of minutes. Cook the vegetables in that sauce for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to add the chicken. Yeah, you want a stalk of lemongrass in with the once you cut your onions and your peppers. You put your Thai green curry paste in and put 1 stalk of this in, and it gives it a lovely, lovely kick. Okay. Right, not the chicken. I want to seal the chicken now, the paste and the vegetables. All that's cooking, I'll chop some mushrooms up. So, what's the mushrooms in? 120 grams there. Stuff I've got in my fridge or freezer this. I've knocked one out, chopped it for it. The coconut milk. Stir it in. One thing I do is I love to put it. I've got in all these prawns. I love to put prawns in this. But if you've got it, it's in a Sweetcorn. Drain it and then bang it in. Bang it. Lovely, lovely flavours and colours. Lovely flavours and colours. Let that cook slowly now for about half an hour. So, we'll have a look at it. Right, I've brought it to the boil, and as you can see, it's boiling away now. Just going to turn the heat right down and simmer it for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to make some rice. That is going to be my evening meal, and it's for 15-20 minutes at best. Right viewers, I've done my rice the Relic way, and I've simmered Thai green curry for about 30 minutes. Lovely big spoonful of this in. Take care not to get a spoonful full of that left stock that's in there. It's not nice today. Alright viewers, there you go. Relic's Thai green chicken curry there. Okay, right. I'm just gonna put some juicing over the top there. But I tell you what, I'm having seconds. Okay. Right. Right viewers, if you like what I'm doing, click on the brand name in the right hand corner there, subscribe. I'm looking for 100 subscriptions and then I'm going to launch a new venture. 100 subscriptions please, come on!